teaching you how to add mixed fractions. So today we have 5 over 7 plus 1 whole, 7 over 5 plus 5 wholes, 2 over 3. So to solve this, we need to find a common denominator. And first, I'm going to find the common denominator for 5/7 and 7/5. So to find a common denominator, you need to multiply each denominator by a certain number to find another number. So in this case, 7, which is this denominator, times 5 equals 35, and 5, this denominator, times 7 equals 35 as well. So when you're adding fractions, whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So I'm going to multiply 5 by 5, which equals 25, and multiply 7 by 7, which equals 49. So this is my common denominator, 35, and this is my part of the fraction. So I'm just gonna, so 25 over 35, 49 over 35. But since 49 over 35 is bigger than 49 is bigger than 35, we need to make that a mixed number. So so the mixed number would be 14 over 35 with 1 whole. I got that number by subtracting 35 from 49. And then if you add these two together, they equal 1 whole, 39 over 35, which is again 39 is bigger than 35, so I have 2 wholes now. And 39 minus 35 is 4. So 4 to 35 with 2 wholes. So now that we have this part added, we need to add this part. So what we're adding with this is we're going to add 5 wholes and 2 over 3 plus 2 wholes and 4 over 35. So we're going to do the same thing. We need to find a common denominator. So the denominator is 35 here, and the denominator is 3 here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a common number that you can multiply them by. So 3 times 35 is 105, and 35 times 3 is 105 as well. And that's the smallest number that you can get multiplying each other that meet up. So 105 is the common denominator, and you have to whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So you multiply 2 times 35 and 4 times 3, and that's going to get you 70 and 12. So again, you're going to make them into fractions, and you're going to add these 2 fractions together. 70 plus 12 equals 82 out of 105. And you see here, we have 1 whole that we didn't account for, 5 wholes that we didn't account for, and 2 wholes. So 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals 8 wholes. So we're going to add our 82 over 105 plus 8 wholes. It's going to give us 8 wholes, 82 over 105. And since you can't simplify 82 over 105, that is the best, simplest number fraction. And the answer is 8 wholes, 82 over 105. Math. Using improper fractions. So we have 1 whole and 5/8 plus 3 wholes and 9/10. So to add improper fractions, you want to multiply your whole number by your denominator, which we've done here. And then we're going to add whatever that equals. So that equals 8, because 1 times 8 equals 8. And we're going to add that plus your denominator, which is going to equal 13. And then with the denominator, 13 over 8. We're going to do the same thing with 3 wholes, 9 over 10. 3 times 10 equals 30, plus 9, the numerator, equals 39 over 10. So now that we have mixed numbers, or improper fraction, we want to find the common denominator with 8 and 10. So the common denominator with 8 and 10 is 80. So we're going to do 8 times 10 equals 80, 10 times 8 equals 80. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 13 times 10 equals 130, and 39 times 8 equals 312. So here they are in their fraction, which is still improper, and we're going to convert that into mixed numbers. I'm going to start from here. So now that we have our improper fractions, we can convert them into mixed numbers. So 80 goes into 130 once with the remainder of 50. So it's 1 whole and 50 over 80. The same thing with 312, but 80 goes into 312 3 times. So we can have 3 wholes, the remainder 72. Denominator is still going to be 80. If you add these two mixed numbers, you'll get 4 wholes, 122. When you add the two mixed numbers together, you get 4 wholes, 122 over 40, which is still an improper fraction. So convert that to a proper fraction. 5 wholes. For final answer, we need to find the lowest fraction. Equals the fraction branch out, plus out. So the simplest fraction for 5 wholes, 4 to 80 is 5 wholes, 5.
1 half.
Yeah, 1 half. 5. 1 half.
Right, 1 half.
Oh, right. And then,
Huh?
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice and sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new.